Hi, welcome to my digital video class. In this class, let us see types of molecular symmetry point groups, relation with the chirality, types of symmetry point groups, serial numbers, again types of symmetry point groups, examples taken 1 to 7 for these symmetry point groups. Last one, general symmetry point groups, chirality, if yes or no. These are the symmetry point groups which are chiral. These are the symmetry point groups not chiral. The condition is that it is here. Let us see the below definition for the chirality. Chirality of a molecule is the presence of non-superimposability of the molecule on its mirror image. It means that if a molecule is chiral, then it is non-superimposable on its mirror image. If any molecule or if any symmetry point group to be chiral, there should not be sigma h or sigma v or sigma d or I. Then these are the symmetry point groups. Chiral, yes. Chirality, no. These are the symmetry point groups. Let us see from the top. Non-axial symmetry point groups. These are low symmetry point groups. Only 3 examples there: C1, Ci, Cs. Here sigma present, that is sigma h, chirality no. I is present, chirality no. C1 chiral, yes. C and S symmetry point groups. Cn symmetry point groups, C2 up to C8, all these are chiral, yes, because condition is mentioned below: no sigma h, no sigma v, no sigma d and no I. Sn symmetry point groups, S2 to S14, chirality is no. CNV symmetry point groups, C2V up to C8V, chirality is no because sigma V present. CNH symmetry point groups, C2H up to C8H, chirality no because sigma H present. D symmetry point groups, DN symmetry point groups, D2 to D8, chirality yes. It is similar to Cn symmetry point groups. C2 to C8, chirality is yes. In the same way, D2 to D8, chirality is yes. DN D symmetry point groups, D2D to D8D, chirality no, sigma D present. DNH symmetry point groups, D2H to D8H, chirality no because sigma H present. C and D symmetry point groups which are linear, C infinity and D infinity H remaining no, not there. Both are chirality no because sigma V present, sigma H present. Then high symmetry point groups which are cubic symmetry point groups, 8 are there. That's why 7 are here. That's why we have taken 7 examples for each symmetry point groups 1 to 7. Here in cubic symmetry point groups, TD, sorry, T, TD, TH, O, OH, I, IH. Let us see the chirality. TD chirality no, because sigma D present. TH chirality no, because sigma H present. OH chirality no, sigma H present. IH chirality no, sigma H present. Then remaining are chiral. T, S chiral, O, S chiral, I, S chiral. The last one, general symmetry point groups. If yes, for chirality, no for this chirality. These are the symmetry point groups, chiral. These are not chiral, which are in red color. These are in green color. Yes, chiral. Condition mentioning in brackets: no sigma H, no sigma V, no sigma D, I. These are the symmetry point groups: C1, Cn, Dn, T, O, I. Remaining are chirality no. These are the symmetry point groups. In these, sigma H or sigma V or sigma D or I present. Ci, Cs, Sn, Cnv, Cnh, Dnd, Dnh, C infinity V, D infinity H, Td, Th, OH, IH. In this way, you can simply study the symmetry point groups and its relation with the chirality. Thank you.